Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm back. In this video I will be sharing with you a simple hard dough bread recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification on so that you may be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Let's get right into the video. Here's a list of my ingredients that I use. Here I will be adding some milk powder to the flour and my salt, and I will give this a mix and set aside. Now I will be adding 5 tablespoons of sugar to 1 cup of milk. I will give this a little stir, and then I will be adding the yeast and stirring this also, and I will be setting this aside for about 15 minutes to proof. Please ensure that your milk is warm. Here I will be adding my butter to my flour, and I will be using my fingertips to combine this together. This is where I'll be adding the liquid to the flour. In this video, I will be using the all-purpose flour. However, for my next video upload, you will see me using the bread flour because this gives the dough 2 different textures. This is where I started using the water because my dough needed a little bit more liquid. This is what my dough looks like after the kneading process. Now I will be adding some oil to my bowl, and then I will place my dough inside of the container. I will plastic wrap it and cover it with a towel and set this in a warm area for about an hour to an hour and a half for proofing. I will now go ahead and prepare my baking sheets. This is where I will be adding a little butter to my pans, and then I will lightly dusting them with some flour. I will now go into the rolling process. I will be removing the dough from my pan, and then I will be cutting this into half. You can lightly flour your surface and your rolling pin so that the dough doesn't stick. Once I'm done rolling out my dough with the rolling pin, I will then go ahead and roll the dough into a log using my hands. I will be folding each edges in order for it to stick together, and once I done forming my log, I will be pinching the ends together so that it stays together. Here I'll be placing them inside the loaf pan. This is what it looks like after I cut it. There you have it, hard dough bread. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification on so that you may be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.